Hi, I'm Mark Kroll, Product Manager for Montana Fifth Wheels, and I'm here to talk about the new entertainment system and fireplace on all Montana High Country Fifth Wheels. So we're using the Furrion TV, Entertainment Center, and Fireplace. And the beautiful thing about this setup is it comes with a remote control that'll work the Fireplace, Entertainment Center, and TV. One of the reasons we chose Furrion for Montana High Country Fifth Wheels is because all of their appliances are climate and vibration tested for mobile applications, like an RV. Of course, this TV is on electric lift. This is a 40-inch TV. Below that, we redesigned our soundbar speakers and entertainment system. So you've got two front-facing speakers, sound fantastic. And of course, we've got this black glass door, which allows the remote control to work through it. Right here, we have our DVD player. Also plays CDs. Can also play radio, and you can hook up auxiliary input, USB input, or headphones. This is two zones. So we've got the front-facing speakers here, plus two outside speakers. One of the other great features on here is this is connected to the TV with an HDMI cable. Now we left this open slot here to allow our customers to easily add any media device they prefer. Apple TV, satellite receiver. If you want to upgrade this to a Blu-ray player, that can all be done in here and still work through the glass door and use your remote control. And then of course below that, you have the 34-inch wall-mounted fireplace, also controlled again by the universal remote control. This is fantastic because this will raise the temperature in a 500 square foot space about 30 degrees above the outside temperature. So an excellent way to warm the living area and kitchen of a fifth wheel without using the propane furnace. For more information on Montana High Country Fifth Wheels, please visit KeystoneRV.com. Thank you.